Zimbabwean opposition leader Nelson Chamisa is facing growing criticism over what some rivals say is an unusually muted response to controversial constitutional amendments that could extend the rule of Emmerson Mnangagwa. Zidabwina mashoko arikuda pana pachinzi Chamisa is under fire. Critics question silence as ZANU-PF pushes power extending constitutional changes. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibida mnauya onekwa kunzi Nelson Chamisa asara ari logged panguva ino achinzi sei ari kuramba akanyarara panhau dziri kuonekwa kunzi dziri kuafekta macitizens enyika yeZimbabwe. Nelson Chamisa akaonekwa kunzi kubva kumasure munhu ainyanya kutaura even achitaura chokwadi pamberi pevanhu kanga pasocial media or kumarallies aiudza vagari venyika yeZimbabwe zvinhu zvakamira so zvakadai but panguva ino ZANU-PF yakuita maconstitutional amendments anonyatsoonekwa kunzi ari more vital kudarika zvaimbotaura Nelson Chamisa ndopauramba akanyarara. Bold truth inobuda nyora ichiti the proposed changes being pushed by the ruling ZANU-PF would reportedly allow Mnangagwa in parliament to remain in office beyond the current constitutional timetable. Critics warn the sweeping amendments would even scrap direct presidential elections. Moves, they say, threaten Zimbabwe's constitutional order. Chamisa's recent social media post on X, Note 2050, sparked fresh controversy. Detractors argued the wording avoids direct confrontation, directly confronting the ruling party's 2030 agenda, while is seen as a strategy to extend Mnangagwa's rule beyond his current term ending in 2028. Among the critics is Carlton Wende, a former ally who hindered Chamisa may have been offered a drink to stay quiet. Chamisa denies the claims, inciting he refuses to frame his message using the ruling party's political language. Doma developments aripo munoti kudii pamusoro penhau iyi munoitongawo sei muri Zimbabwe? Muna comment section medu dzafunguro enyu musangana subscribe or like cheta on the bell icon.